Understanding update cart in online shopping. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to talk about a phrase that you often encounter while shopping online: update cart. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up on your e-commerce vocabulary, you're in the right place. So, let's dive into what this phrase means and how to use it in real-life situations. Update cart is a common feature on e-commerce websites. When you're shopping online, you add items to a virtual shopping cart. But what if you change your mind about how many items you want? Or you decide to remove an item altogether? That's where update cart comes in. It allows you to adjust the items in your cart before making a purchase. You'll typically see the update cart option when you add an item to your cart but want to buy more or fewer of that item. Change the size or color of an item, if options are available. Remove an item from your cart because you no longer wish to purchase it. Apply a discount code or change your shipping option, which may alter the total price and require an update to your cart to reflect these changes accurately. To use it, simply change the quantity or details of the item as needed, and then click or tap the Update Cart button. Your cart will then refresh to show the new details and total cost. Let's look at some examples of how to use update cart in a sentence. I added the wrong size to my cart, so I need to update it before I check out. After applying my coupon, I saw the discounted price and clicked on update cart to proceed with my purchase. I realized I had an extra item in my basket, so I went back to update my cart before finalizing the order. These sentences show typical scenarios where you might need to update your cart. And there you have it. Now you know all about update cart and how crucial it is for a smooth online shopping experience. Remember, it's all about making sure your cart reflects exactly what you want to buy before you pay. I hope this video has been informative and helpful for your English learning journey. Happy shopping and happy learning! See you in the next video.